I always wonder why I don't grill more. Then I quickly remember. Way to go, Pigpen. Let's try out the super clean grill cleaner on this hot mess. Here's the directions if you want to follow along. Make sure your grill is cool and remove the drip tray. Yeah, this thing has seen better days. Yuck. Next, rinse thoroughly with cold water. I rinse the grill and grease tray. Then spray super clean grill cleaner and brush if necessary. Well, this is pretty disgusting, so I'm gonna say it's necessary. I sprayed it all over the grates, the heat tents, and used an old grill brush to help loosen the chunks. The super clean started working really quickly. I flipped the grate over and sprayed and scraped underneath too. I even scraped the drip tray. Then I waited 5 minutes before thoroughly rinsing with water. I spent at least a good 5 minutes rinsing. I took the grate off and flushed everything out of the grill. Then I put the grate back on and gave it a final rinse. As well as the drip tray. This thing is all rusty, so that's as good as it's gonna get. But the grill? That came out awesome. Look at that. Night and day from where it was. Just look at the before and after. When you're done, fire it up to remove any excess super clean. Then you can check out some more outdoor DIY videos right here.